Good morning, students. Our syllabus has been completed. Today, we will revise some basic topic of engineering mathematics 2. Unit 3rd, first topic, linear differential equation with constant coefficients. What is linear differential equation? A linear differential equation in which the dependent variable and its derivative occurs only in first degree and are not multiplied together is called linear differential equation. Now, linear differential equation with constant coefficient. A linear differential equation with constant coefficient is that in which the dependent variable and its derivative occurs only in first degree and are not multiplied together and their coefficient are all constant is called linear differential equation with constant coefficient. कंसिडर द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ऑफ द फॉर्म. यह कोई एक डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है जिसे हमने कंसिडर किया है ए नॉट डी एन वाई अपॉन डी एक्स टू पावर एन प्लस ए वन डी एन माइनस वन वाई अपॉन डी एक्स टू पावर एन माइनस वन प्लस a n y equals to q, where q is a function of x and a naught, a1, a n are all constant, but a naught is not equals to 0 is called a linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Remember this, a naught, a1, a n all are constant. Then this differential equation is called linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Equation first can be write as f of d y equals to q, where f of d is a naught dn plus a1 dn minus 1 plus an. D it means differentiation. D raised to n it means n time differentiation. This is called constant linear differential equation with constant coefficient. If we take q equals to 0 in this equation, if we take q equals to 0, then this equation is called homogeneous equation. Homogeneous differential equation. It means f dy equals to 0. For this equation, it means homogeneous equation, the general solution of equation third is given by a complementary function जिसे हम CF कहते हैं. If q is not equals to 0, then equation is called non-homogeneous equation. Or for this, we will calculate CF and PI both. So general solution for non-homogeneous equation is CF plus PI. But today we will discuss only homogeneous differential equation. It means q equals to 0. So we will calculate only complementary function, that is CF. Solution of homogeneous linear differential equation with constant coefficient. होमोजीनियस लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन जस्ट अभी हमने रीड किया, जहां पर q की वैल्यू आपके पास 0 होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड होमोजीनियस लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. फॉर अ होमोजीनियस लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन वी विल कैलकुलेट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फंक्शन. फॉर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फंक्शन फर्स्ट वी राइट ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन. ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, जहां पर भी आपके पास d होता है उसको हम m से रिप्लेस कर देते हैं. लुक हियर, our equation number second, fd equals to a naught dn plus a1 d raised to power n minus 1 plus an. So we will replace d with m. We will find a naught m raised to power n plus a1 m raised to power n minus 1 plus an equals to 0. This is an algebraic equation of degree n and it has exactly n roots, real और complex. nth ऑर्डर की आपके पास, nth डिग्री की आपके पास ये algebraic equation है. जब इसको आप सॉल्व करेंगे तो n roots you will find that are maybe real or complex. So there are 5 cases now for an auxiliary equation. Case first, auxiliary equation having real and distinct roots. It means अगर auxiliary equation के roots real है और different है. Suppose these are m1, m2 and mr. All are and distinct real roots of auxiliary equation. Then the general solution of equation 1 is given by this. This means y equals to c1 e raised to power m1x plus c2 e raised to power m2x plus cn e raised to power mnx. जितने रूट्स होंगे उतने आपके पास यहाँ पर पुट कर दिए जाएंगे. We can solve this by an example. Look here, d square minus 3d plus 2 solve this equation. So this is a differential equation, and this is a linear differential equation with constant coefficient, because you can see d square d इनके सबके coefficient constant है और कोई भी derivative और dependent variable multiplication में नहीं है. So it is a linear differential equation with constant coefficient, and the value of q is 0. So this is a homogeneous linear differential equation. For a homogeneous linear equation, we will calculate only complementary function. For a complementary function, we will find auxiliary equation. First, we will write auxiliary equation, d replaced by m. So we will find m square minus 3m plus 2 equals to 0. When we solve this equation, we will find m equals to 1 and 2. Look here, m equals to 1 and 2 are real and distinct, though different values hai. So m1 is 1, m2 is 2. When we will put this value in this equation, we will find y equals to c1 e raised to power 1x plus c2 e raised to power 2x. This is the complementary function, or for homogeneous, this is the general solution. You can see here, this is a second order linear differential equation. So we have two roots. Now case third. Auxiliary equation having real and equal roots when roots are repeated. Suppose two roots are repeated, m1 equals to m2. तो हमारे पास CF क्या हो जाएगा, y equals to c1 plus x c2 e raised to power m1x plus, now these are the different root by case first. If 2 times repeated, when we will write c1 plus x c2 e raised to power m1x. If 3 times repeated, we will write x square plus c3, and these are the different root. Now solve this equation. D square minus 2d plus 1 y equals to 0. This is a homogeneous linear differential equation with constant coefficient. So solution is CF is y. When we will solve this equation by auxiliary equation, we will find m equals to 1 and 1. Look here, m equals to 1 and 1, two roots, that is real but 2 times repeated. So CF is c1 plus c2x e raised to power x. Case third, auxiliary equation having complex roots when roots are imaginary. Imaginary roots हमेशा पेयर में होते हैं. It means m1 equals to plus p plus minus iota q. प्लस की टर्म और माइनस की टर्म हमेशा इमेजिनरी रूट्स में आपके साथ आती है. तो दीज आर द कॉम्प्लेक्स रूट और इमेजिनरी रूट्स. देन CF इज y इक्वल्स टू e रेज टू पावर, जो फर्स्ट टर्म होती है आपके पास दिस इज px, एंड जो इमेजिनरी टर्म होती है आपके पास उसको हम लिखेंगे a cos qx plus b sin qx. दिस इज द CF फॉर imaginary root. Solve this question. This is the third order degree equation, third equation. Solve the differential equation d3y dx cube minus 8y equals to 0. When we write the auxiliary equation, we will find m cube minus 8 equals to 0, and after solution we will find m equals to 2 minus 1 plus minus iota root 3. This is the third order equation. It means we have 3 roots, that is first 2, second is minus 1 plus iota under root 3, and third is minus 1 minus iota under root 3. Now first 2 is a real root. So for a real root, we can write as c3 e raised to power 2x. And now for a complex root, compare with this, p is here minus 1 and q is here under root 3. So the CF for a complex root y equals to e raised to power, p की जगह आपके पास minus 1x, a की जगह आपके पास a as it is constant, मैंने c1 लिया है, cos q की जगह आपके पास under root 3x. Similarly c2 sin under root 3x. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. Now case fourth, auxiliary equation having complex root and repeated root. It means when roots are imaginary and repeated. इमेजनरी रूट्स अभी मैंने आपको बताया था पेयर में होते हैं. अगर ये रिपीटेड होते हैं तो हम क्या लिखेंगे, ई रेज टू पावर पी एक्स 2 टाइम्स आपके पास कांस्टेंट, जैसे अभी हमने रियल रूट्स में किया था, a1 प्लस b1x a2 प्लस b2x में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. इसी तरह से अगर 3 टाइम्स रिपीटेड होते हैं तो यहाँ पर आपके पास आएगा प्लस c1x² और यहाँ हो जाएगा c1x² और यहाँ आपके पास हो जाएगा c2x². Now, by this example, we can solve this. d4 dx raised to power 4 plus 2 d2 square y dx square plus y equals to, so fourth order differential equation. So we have four roots that are m equals to plus minus iota plus minus iota. Two times roots are repeated imaginary. So CFR, look here, when we compare it, P is 0 and Q is 1. So by this equation, we will find y equals to CF C1 plus C2x cos x plus C2 plus C4x sin x. Here P is 0 and Q is 1. Now, last case, case fifth, auxiliary equation having irrational roots. It means we can say if the roots are in Surt's form. Surt's form, it means not iota in a this form, p plus minus under root q. This is called Surt's form or irrational roots. For this roots, CF is e raised to power px c1. Remember, cos hyperbolic under root qx plus c2 sin hyperbolic under root qx. Many times we can solve it by case first. We can assume this is a p plus under root q is a first term and p minus under root q is a second term. But in many times we can solve it by Surt's method. So y equals to e raised to power px c1 cos hyperbolic under root qx plus c2 sin hyperbolic under root qx. Now equation 2, equation 5th, d2y by dx square minus 4 dy by dx plus y equals to 0. When we will solve by auxiliary equation, we will find m equals to 2 plus minus under root 3. ये इक्वेशन, ये रूट्स भी हमेशा आपके पास पेयर में आएंगे, प्लस माइनस की फॉर्म में आएंगे. तो ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन यहाँ जब हम इससे कंपेयर करेंगे, वी विल फाइंड m इज 2 plus minus under root 3. So P is 2 and Q is 3. So we will write the CF is e raised to power 2x C1 cos hyperbolic under root 3x plus C2 sin hyperbolic under root 3x. We can write it also as C1 e raised to power 2 plus under root 3 plus C2 e raised to power 2 minus under root 3. This is the complementary functions revision. This is the basic topic of linear differential equation with constant coefficient. I hope आप सब easily इस टॉपिक को रिवाइज कर सकते हैं. Thank you.